Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to edit server settings on a Hytale server. Firstly, you have to log into your Server.pro panel. Once logged in, just locate your Hytale server, then click on it to open the dashboard. Before making any changes, you'll need to stop your server. This is because editing config files while the server is running may prevent changes from saving correctly. Once the server is stopped, open up files from the left drop-down menu, then select config.json. This will open the main configuration file for your server. Inside the server config file, you can modify all available server settings such as game mode, max players, etc. However, once you're finished making changes, click save. After saving your changes, you can then start to launch your server again. Your server will now run using the new configuration settings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.